Well, despite the cooler high temperatures that we saw today in comparison to Saturday, it's not going to get too chilly for tonight. In fact, these are the coldest temperatures that we're going to be seeing for the overnight tonight, and temperatures are going to be gradually rising throughout the coming hours. Right now, we've got mid-40s across the board, 44 in Salisbury and 46 degrees right there in Cambridge. Weather watchers are calling in with 44 degrees at Lewis with Chucky, and Ted Millsboro is reporting a temperature of 46 degrees. We'll take it live to Cambridge at US Route 50. It's looking dry right now. It's the same thing with downtown Salisbury. There's no rain to speak of. It's just a mostly cloudy sky out there. You can see that the pavement over there is dry as we speak. So the echoes on radar, none of this is reaching the ground, which tells me that there's still some low-level and mid-level dry air that the rain has to overcome. And it's going to take a while, I think, for the air to saturate, but eventually we will get the opportunity for spotty showers throughout the overnight tonight. There's going to be a cold front that's going to be moving through tomorrow afternoon. That's going to increase our potential for some rain across the region. I don't think it's going to be as heavy as what we're seeing here, but the potential for upwards of moderate rainfall is certainly on the table. Area of low pressure, snow on the northern component of this low pressure, and now the southern tip. Look at that, a pretty potent episode of severe weather, as is typical with these dynamic early spring low pressure systems. So through the overnight tonight, a spotty rain shower is possible. A better chance for some showers tomorrow. Not looking at any thunder or any severe weather by any stretch of the imagination, but just some good old-fashioned rainfall across the region, which is something we'll definitely take. So here's 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. A band of showers likely for areas north like Dover and Easton. It's probably raining at that time. Most of us should be on the dry side, just with the mostly cloudy sky out there. Maybe a few areas of drizzle here and there. And then we get the band of organized rain to move through sometime late morning into the early afternoon. This is at 12 p.m. It looks like areas like Salisbury, Ocean City, Wallops Island should be on the dry side for your lunchtime, but still though, pretty good decent shot at some rainfall for areas north and west. By the time we get to 3 p.m., perhaps when the kids are getting off the school bus, you're likely going to be needing the rain gear because it looks like a band of light to maybe even moderate rainfall will be likely across the region, pushing out here by the time you get to 6 p.m., maybe even a little bit of sunshine before the day's end. By the time we get to Tuesday, it's going to be a dry day, sunshine mixed with some clouds, temperatures getting to around that 60-degree mark. But then by the time we get to Tuesday night, another impulse of energy moves through, and with that, there could be a few showers passing through the region Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then maybe even a passing sprinkle Wednesday afternoon with some scattered clouds. Partly sunny day, we'll call it. So in terms of the rainfall just for Monday, not looking at a lot. I'd say we will max out maybe at around half an inch to maybe areas that could get to 3/4 of an inch of rainfall, particularly I think areas north of Maryland Route 404, perhaps areas like Easton and Dover. That's going to give us potential for some of those higher rainfall totals. Only adding to the monthly rainfall that we've been seeing this month, which is in a surplus. We have well above average rainfall for this month, and it does look like we're going to end off the month before we come to April with above average rainfall, which is definitely very, very good news indeed. Tonight will be in the 40s with temperatures rising throughout the overnight tonight, with a few spotty showers out there. Bit of a breeze tomorrow, gets up to 30 miles per hour, so we do have a small cloud advisory for our water sides tomorrow. Temperatures at around 60 degrees for tomorrow with a few showers. Some showers likely for Tuesday night as well, maybe a spotty sprinkle on Wednesday, then drying out and cooler for your day on Thursday. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after the break.